So have you drawn this one?
No, sir.
Please draw this one fast. Means copy this one, not to draw. This is not a diagram. What happened to my pen? Have you drawn this one? What? When you done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
So as you see here that this is called the dispersion medium. I'm going to explain you orally today because my pen is I think not working. There's something happened here because when I'm just touching it, it is coming with the it is not I'm not able to write. It is just selecting the pen. I don't know why what is happening here. So if I just try to write, this is not means every time it is not showing pen up. Okay, so because of that I'm facing issues. So then so what I'm saying here is that as you see here that this is gas. Okay, this is a gas. Okay, and this is a liquid. Okay, and you see that this fog is also gas. This fog is also gas. Okay, so you see that the dispersion medium and the solution are going to have the same state. So we'll say that the dispersing medium is called solvent and dispersed phase is called solute. Okay, got it? Got it? Are you getting a point?
Yes,
Like
sir.
solid, like solid dissolve in gas. So smoke is the carbon particles that get dissolved in the air and which form smoke. Okay, so we say that when the gas particles, sorry, solid particles of carbons are dissolved in are mixed, not dissolved, are mixed in the gas, then we consider them as a smoke. Okay, and similarly gas dissolve in liquid. So whatever the phase of this one is, same should be the phase of this one. So you see that shaving cream is liquid, but gas which dissolve in liquid, it form is like shaving cream. Liquid dissolved in liquid is called emulsion. Solid dissolved in liquid, so it should be also liquid. That is called sol. Sol. This is milk of magnesia. Okay, milk of magnesia, mud. So it is liquid, but solid dissolved in liquid is mud. And these are all colloidal solutions. Let me explain you. These are not true solutions. These are all colloidal solutions. Colloids. The colloids have different types of. We can say that solution. Okay, like fog is colloid, so mist is colloid, smoke is colloid, shaving cream is colloid, milk is colloid. So colloid particle is big enough that it scatter the beam of light, and can the path of light will be visible, and then a beam of light is passed to a colloidal solution. Secondly, if I say here the gas, this is gas, and this is solid. Again, gas dissolved in solid, then it will be a rubber or foam sponge. Okay, so this is simply considered to be as foam. Here is also foam, and here is also foam. So gas dissolved in liquid. This is also foam, like a shaving cream, and dissolved in solid is also a foam. Okay, foam here we just say that this is having much airy space. Okay, so when we are adding gas in liquid or gas in solid, either in liquid either in solid, they form foam. Okay, and foam, they have different types. Like for example, if gas dissolved in liquid, it is also formed, but this is a shaving cream like a liquid. But when gas dissolved in solid, it will be a rubber sponge. Okay, are you getting my point? So this is solid. So whatever the state of this substance is, rubber is also solid. You see that rubber is also solid. So whatever the space, the medium of dispersion medium state is, the same state will be of this also. Okay. Similarly, liquids dissolve in solid. Okay. So if I'm talking about liquids dissolve in solids, they form gel. Okay. So again, this will be liquid dissolving solid like jelly, rubber, butter. These are also, and same solid dissolving solid is called solid soul, like gemstone, milky glass. So, uh, is that clear to you that what is dispersion medium, what is dispersion phase? Is that clear to you? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear? So here an important question came on this topic. Let you try to answer this question. Okay. Just, let you try to answer this. That's why the following physical things will be done this one. Yes. Question number 17. What would be your answer? Question number 17. Please note down this one in your notebook. And what would be your answer? Smoke and smoke both are aerosols. In what way they are different? Hmm? Can you answer me?
So the dispersed phase is different.
Hmm. Dispersed phase is different. Yes. So when solid is dissolved in gas, then it is called smoke. And when uh, liquids is dissolved in gas, then it is called, we called it aerosol. But the dispersal phase are different. Smoke and fog are different because of their dispersal phase or solute, the state of solute. Both have same dispersal medium. Same dispersal medium is same. So you can write the answer. Have you noted the question? Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
So, so please write the answer for this question. The pen is not working today. I don't know why I forgot to think. So try to write this answer. Question number 17. When you done, please let me know.
So which question?
हाँ, 17 का आंसर लिखना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 का आंसर लिखो.
Okay, sir.
You have already written the question here, na? This is your question number 17 here. This smoke and fog both are so in what way they are different? Have you noted the question? Sakrika, you also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So do this one, please. When you done, please let me know. You done? Taking much time.
Mhm.
You also, Tanisha?
Yes, sir.
You done this? Okay. Now just concentrate here, okay? I'm just trying to explain you, just try to understand the concept, okay? And because since I'm not having pen along with me, so just try to focus, concentrate over it. I'm having pen, but my pen is not working. Don't know why. Okay. And this is a digital pen. You cannot do some soldering or something. So we have three concentration terms, three types of concentration terms. Just concentrate over it. Okay. Concentration. What do you mean by the word concentration terms? That helps us to know whether the solution, how much the solution is concentrated. For example, if I say that you have in 100 ml of solution, you have 10 ml of sugar dissolved in it. Okay. 10 gram of sugar dissolved in it. And another you take 50 ml of solution and which is, sorry, water in which you have dissolved uh, 25 gram of sugar. So if you take the step of both the solution, in which do you think will be more sweet? One 100 ml having 10 gram of sugar. Another uh, another is uh, 500 ml and having 20 gram of sugar. 500 ml of water having 20 gram of sugar and 100 ml of water having 10 gram of sugar. Do you think which one do you think is more sweet if you take a sip from both? Shakri sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
answer me this? Can you answer me this question? You have one is 10 ml, okay, 10 ml of sugar. Another one is uh, 10 ml of sugar. Sorry, 10 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of water. So what do you mean by? And if you are having 500 ml of water, so in that 500 ml of water, there should be 50 gram of sugar.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting a point? If
Yes, sir.
10 ml of water have 10 gram of sugar, 10 sorry 100 ml 10 gram, 100 ml में 100 ग्राम 100 ml वाटर के अंदर 10 ग्राम शुगर है. तो 500 500 ml of के अंदर कितना होना चाहिए 50 ग्राम होना चाहिए, बट आई एम सेइंग इट इज हैविंग 20 ग्राम. So instead, if it is having more sugar, but the concentration will not be more. Okay. So what do you mean by the word concentration? There are three types of concentration terms. The first one is mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass percentage. Okay. The first one is mass by mass percentage. This one. Okay. Second one is mass by volume percentage, and third one is mass by volume percentage. So what is mass by mass percentage? When x gram of solute, x gram of solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solute, 100 gram of solute. X gram of solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Like for example, if you have 20 gram of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solution, then its percentage, its mass by mass percentage will be 20. Okay. So it has a simple formula that W by W percentage would be equals to mass of solute, that is present in, that we generally have in solid form and we dissolve in something. And another one is mass of solution. So mass of solute dissolving mass of solution into 100. Okay. Are you getting my point? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So please note down this one. Then I'm going to help you to write down this to do this one. Then you will be able to do that much better.
And
Done, everyone? Okay. Anisha, you also?
Yes, sir, done.
Now just concentrate. Okay. And I'm going to have another question. Now just look at this. Okay. This is the mass by mass percentage. So mass of solid upon mass of solution. Here's the question. Calculate the mass by mass percentage when 30 gram of sugar is dissolved in 300 gram of water. So 300 gram of water is not the mass of solution. Are you getting my point? समझ आया? 300 gram is the mass of solvent, not the mass of solution. So what can be the mass of solution? Can you answer me? Can you answer me? What could be the mass of solution?
mass
If
of
it is
solute.
having
Yes,
mass of
mass
solute,
of
solvent, very good. So can you tell me that if we are having 30 gram of sugar is dissolved in 300 gram of water, what would be the mass of solution?
330.
330 grams. Okay. So into 100. So calculate. Please don't try to look at these answers. Okay. Anyway. So try to do it by your own. Okay. This is very simple. So do it, please.
So do we write the question?
Yeah, you have to write this question please, in proper solution.
Done, sir.
Done. Chakrika, do you understand this one? You understand the
Yes.
concept that the mass of solution is not the 300 grams. It is the mass of water. Okay. It is the mass
Yes.
of solvent, not the solution. Okay. You understand? So I'm going to give you another question by you have to solve it. Calculate the mass by mass percentage when, note it down. Calculate the mass by mass percentage when 25 gram of sugar is dissolved in 25 gram of sugar is dissolved in is
Yes, sir.
dissolved in is dissolved in uh 25 gram of sugar is dissolved in 75 gram of water. 75 gram of water. When you done, please let me know. 99.999. That is 100%. 99.9 किसने लिखा ना? No, 99.9 कैसे लिखा? How did you write 99.999? चाकरी कैसे नहीं समझ आया? देखो 25 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर डिसॉल्व इन 75 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. तो टोटल मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन बताओ कितना होगा? हम्म चाकरी
Yes, sir.
can you tell me that what is the total mass of solution when you have 75 gram of water? In that water 25 gram of sugar is added.
Sir, 75 plus 25.
That would be 100. And what is the mass of solute? That is 25. Solute is sugar, na? So write 25 upon 100. Yeah, 75 plus 25 into 100. Where you are committing mistake? Can you show me your copy if it's possible?
Uh, yes, sir.
Try to show me a copy.
Sir, I forgot to add the gram
Solvent.
and the
So
solute and solvent.
so you get 25 से भी अगर तुमने कट किया तो 75 को अच्छा 15 कर देना कि नीचे. So 25 upon 75 you cut it by 5.
Yes, sir.
5 से कट किया 5 ऊपर आ गया. नीचे कितना आना चाहिए था? 5 आना चाहिए था ना. 15 कैसा आएगा?
Sir,
कम से
5 into 75, right?
5. अच्छा 5 15
But
3
then,
कट कर. ओके ओके.
but
फिर
then,
उसके बाद ये फिर उसके बाद 5 से फिर 3 आ गया. ठीक है 25 अपॉन. ठीक है फिर 3 अपॉन 100. 3 अपॉन 100 इज 99.9. कैसे आएगा? 3 अपॉन 100 इज 33.33 होगा.
sir,
लेकिन
isn't
तुम्हारा
it 103?
if you divide 100 by 3 you will get 33.33. ये कैसे 99.9? ये चेक करो जरा.
Oh, yes, sir, I'll check that.
चलो मैंने देख लिया. इसमें थोड़ा सा कोई बात नहीं, कोई इशू नहीं. तो अगर वो भी होता तो फिर भी आंसर 33.33 आना चाहिए था. लेकिन इट्स ओके. अभी तुमने ऐड नहीं किया तो इट्स ओके. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. वाटर इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी एज वाटर विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड टू बी एज सॉल्यूशन. इट इज सॉल्वेंट. ओके. चलो अब एक और क्वेश्चन करके दिखाओ जरा. ओके. कैन यू टेल मी that who Which option is correct in case of Arun?
So can you repeat the question?
It is being on the screen. Question number 41. Which is correct option? Question number 41. Tanisha, are you there in the class, beta?
Yes, sir.
Tanisha, you wrote Tanisha 3.33.
Yes, sir.
Why, beta? Why 3.33? It would be 25%. 25%. You understood? 25 upon 75 plus 100 कितना? 75 plus 25 ऐड करोगे ना वाटर में पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में. You will get 100 और 100 से 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 25 आएगा सिंपल. आया समझ? पेन नहीं वर्क कर रहा है तो.
Yes,
चलो
sir, I got it.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 में चेक करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 में कौन सा है? Which one is correct in question number 41? Arun has prepared 0.1% of sodium chloride in water solution. This is the following correctly represent the solution.
C.
C. Chakrika, is it C?
So can I have 2 more minutes?
Okay. Take your time. मुझे pen prepare करना.
Oh yes, so.
C is the correct option. बोलो. Chakrika, C is the correct option.
Oh yes, so.
Yes, क्योंकि देखो 0.01 चाहिए. तो 0.01 अगर आपके पास सॉल्यूट अगर 0.01 और नीचे भी 100 हो जाए इसी तरह से और ऊपर भी 100 हो जाए तो ये 100 से नीचे 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यू कैन कट इट. ओके. And then you can cancel out each other and when you cut it you will get 0.0. तो ये कब पॉसिबल है? ये सी ऑप्शन है पॉसिबल क्योंकि if you put this value as a solute so this will be in the numerator but this is water so you have to add this value into this one and when you add 0.01 in 99.99 you will get 100. आया समझ? You will get 100. 0. Here is also 0. 1 carry. Then 0. Then 0. And then 1. So you will get that this one. I was समझ? Otherwise, इसमें what would be here? Here will be 1 upon 101 into 100. 1 upon 101. Total mass of the solution will be 101 into 100. So उसमें भी नहीं आएगा 0. It will be 0.1. Okay, 0.11 upon 100.11. 100.11 into 100. वो भी नहीं आएगा. इसमें भी नहीं आएगा. Okay, so that would be the correct answer. Got it? In option D, you will get 0.1 instead of 0.01. You will get 0.1 because if you add this one and this one, you will get 100. 100 will cancel out. But in the numerator, it will be 0.10. 0.10 concentration है ना और आपको चाहिए कितना? You need 0.01. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yes.
Tanisha, sorry,
Yes,
Sakrika, everyone, please get you understood, beta? Confirm. Are you sure you understood this concept? Sakrika,
Yes, sir.
are you sure you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to do question number 42. Please note down question number 42. First note it down, and then before starting, please let me know that whether you have noted down or not. When you're done, please let me know. And let me try to repair my pen if it is okay. Then it will be. So you done? You noted? So what you are going to do in this question is that what you are going to do in this question. Let me explain you. Uh, just a minute. Have you noted this one both
Yes, sir.
question? So let me try to help you. That how will you be able to find out? Are you getting any answer? Or still try to do or trying? Okay, just a minute. Let me try to. So what I'm saying here is that you just understand that X is the mass of solute. Okay, X is the mass of solute. And what you need to do is that when you are having X as a mass of solute, so you will do X upon X plus the mass of water that is given to you. What is the mass of water being given to you in the question?
100 grams.
100 grams. So put 100 here and then 100. I'm just writing it. Okay. And then put the 20 here. Okay. Then try to find out the value of it. Try to find out the value of it. 20 is equals to X is the mass of solute upon X plus 100 into 100. Try to find out the value of X because it is dissolved in solute is dissolved in water and water is not the solute. Sorry, no, it's solute is water is not the solution. It is a mass of solute. Sorry, solvent. It is a mass of solvent. Okay. Smoothly work for the Are you? Yes, you, Tanisha. Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
25 gram.
Yeah, it will be 25 grams. Yes, you, Chakrika. Did you try, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just try to check it. Check your answer. Just try to check your answer. This time, where you are getting stuck, let you know. First, you will assume that let the mass of solute be x gram. Then the mass of solution will be x plus 100. So we will write that 20 is a percentage sign. You need not write with percent. You can write only 20 is equals to x upon 100 in 1. So what you will do here? Bring this x plus 100 to this side. Then it will multiply with x. You will get 20x, and you will get 2000. And this 100 will multiply with this. You will get 100. समझ आया? Now
Yes,
this
sir.
20, now this 20 will go to this side and will be subtracted. You will get 80x is equal to 2000. So when you divide 2000 by 80, you will get 25. You will get 20. Tanisha, is it you? Yasmin Anwar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you understood better. You understood this one. Chakrika and you both. Have you got this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. The another type of concentration term is this is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage. So next type is mass by volume. Mass by volume. So in mass by volume, what we need to do is we will write mass of solute. We will means solution. The mass of solute should be in grams, but the mass of solution should be in ml. Okay, like mass by mass is the solute mass is in grams. The mass of solution is also in grams. But mass by volume means mass means mass and volume. So the solute should be in grams and the mass of solution should be in ml. Okay, are you getting my point? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my
Yes,
point?
sir.
So please note it down that mass by volume percentage is mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Mass by solute on volume of solution into 100. Just write the formula. Only this formula. Don't write the question. We will practice this type of question in the next class when my pen will be okay. Okay. You done? Noted the question? Mass by
Yes, sir.
volume? Okay. So try to write this, try to do this question, please. Then we shall be going to practice the NCERT exam. Calculate the mass by volume percentage when 70 gram of solute is dissolved in 490 ml of solution. So do I need to add 70 in this one? First of all, you need to know that ml will be added in ml and grams will be added in grams. You cannot add 70 gram in 490 ml. No, it is not possible. Ml is the unit of volume and gram is the unit of mass. So two different physical quantities cannot be added. Okay? Are you getting my point? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
So please note it down and this solution is being given in front of your screen. So please do this one today. When you done, please let me know. You done?
Done so.
Okay. Try to tell me that who is correct. Try to tell me that who is correct here. Okay. Who is correct in question number 19? A, B, C respectively. There are three students A, B, C. Okay. Respectively prepare a 50% mass by volume solution. They have to prepare 50% mass by volume solution. Okay. Of sodium hydroxide. A dissolve 50 gram of NaOH in 100 ml of water. B dissolve 50 grams of NaOH in 100 gram of water. While C dissolve 50 grams of NaOH in water to make it 100 ml of solution. Who is correct? And you need to tell me if you say that A is correct, then tell me that why B and C is incorrect. Okay. So uh, try to read this question. Let me.
So do we have to write the answer and then tell you?
No, you can tell me already.
So is it C?
C. So can you tell me that why A and B is incorrect?
So A is not the desired solution because in A, they're not taking solution, but they're taking water, which is
As
not,
an
yeah. And then in B, they're taking 100 grams of water, which is not a correct unit because we
okay,
measure liquids in ml usually. So it's 50 grams by 100 ml. So
ml solution. Okay. And moreover, he should take 50 ml of means here he should take 50. First mistake is this one. This one it should be 100 ml, and second it should not be water. It should be solution. Okay. And C is correct because C has dissolved 50 grams of NaOH in 100 ml of solution. Okay. So C is correct. Now you understood the concept. Very good. You are getting this. Okay. Can you tell me who is correct? Sarika, Kamli, Sarika, and Ramesh. Yes. Here is it. Question number 39. Can you tell me who is correct? They are preparing mass by mass, not mass by volume. Can you tell me, Sagarika and you, Tanisha? Can you tell me the answer? Array, it is simple. Sagarika and Tanisha, where are you? Why not responding?
um, can I have some more time? I'm still calculating.
No need to calculate. You need to tell me orally. Who
Oh,
is correct? You need to tell me first. Tell now who is correct.
uh, Ramesh?
Ramesh, let's mass by mass percentage. Na? So he is dissolving 100 gram, 10 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. Should it be water?
But then we can add 10 grams of sugar in the
It will,
water and make solution.
so you add 10 gram of sugar in 10 gram of water. So gram can be relatively gives you 110 gram of solution.
Yes,
So
sir.
10 divided by 110, you will not get 10%. And 200. Sarika is correct. Because she is dissolving 10 gram of sugar in water to make 100 gram of solution. Okay. समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
It should be solution, na? 100 gram because 100 will cancel out each other na, in the denominator. Okay. And then you will get 10. Are you
Yes.
getting my point? समझ आ रहा है? Are you
Yes,
sure
sir.
you understood this question that 39, why 39 is correct, why Sarika is correct? Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I did. I did.
Okay, you Tanisha, you also understood this?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this pen is not working. That's why I'm fixing my mistake.
So,
Very
sir,
sorry for that. Because my
so, sir,
pen, this is a pen nib means okay when it falls down according to the nib, so that means it's we need to add a new nib over it. And I'm at home right now, so it need to add a new nib that is in Delhi because it's nib break. And if it break, it's not enough because it is a digital pen. It is not a like we just used to have a ball pen. It is not like so. So that's why it's not working.